As you can see here on the screen, this is a platform that gets you money just by doing micro tasks. As you can see, it says use apps, games, and surveys, and you'll get paid in cryptocurrency, gift cards, or PayPal. Or what you just have to do is to go on to your favorite browser, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox, Opera Mini, and dial in this keyword, which I'll be revealing very soon in this video. And just to show you continuously on this video, you can see a PayPal proof withdrawal of $3. You can see here, you can see withdrawal proofs of people that have been able to withdraw money from this platform. So I can see they have a popular rewards. You can see you can earn gift card, you can earn your money in PayPal, you can earn your money in crypto, and a lot of others. iTunes, Steam gift cards, Amazon gift cards, Google Play gift card, and a rest of gift card. As you can see here, if it is crypto, they have Binance, and also they have PayPal and the rest of it. So this platform is very legit, and you can earn up to $100, you can earn $50, you can earn $1,000, depending on how serious and how competitive you take it to be. Although you can just take it as a side hustle, because this can be done by pregnant women, can be done by sit-at-home mom, it can even be done in the office during your spare time. If this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, my name is Basi Ejwajon. I'm a medical student in the University of Calabar. And in my channel, we talk about how you can make money online as a total beginner in 2024. So if you love content like this, don't forget to click on the red subscribe button so you can continue getting updates anytime I drop videos like this, and so that you can also me grow. And the name of this platform I'll be revealing to you today is known as NWeb. So NWeb is a platform that gets you paid for completing taxes. You complete tasks from advertisers. Our partners promote products and conduct market research on NWeb. So like I said, it says you get paid for completing tasks from advertisers. People come to this platform, gives you tax, and you'll be able to complete their tasks, and they will pay. The name of this platform, like I say, is known as NWeb, nweb.com. So go to your browser and then it's known as nweb.com. So after you complete tasks from this advertiser, these advertisers will pay you, and they have a quick, easy, and versatile method of withdrawals. You can withdraw your money in any method you deem fit: PayPal, crypto, gift card, and the rest of them. So what you just have to do for you to start earning on this platform, you just click on let's start earning. So no deposit required. You just have to create your account and you will start earning your money. So look at the example of tax that are available on this platform. The tax that are available currently on this platform are tax like surveys, tax like playing games. This is what you love doing, and you will get paid just for doing them. So it's hard to earn coins. Coins can be acquired by completing tasks. There are many types of them, offering different in types of required action, execution. So the type of action you take determines the coin you earn, and this coin which can be transferred or can be converted to money. As you can see, there's online games, there's also brand offers, which is known as survey, and there's also a cashback. Purchases can be made with our partners via link, get you part of your spent money back. So there's a cashback option also on this platform. Like I said, there's also surveys, there's also NWeb specials. It's a special tax, gives less currency, but will take only a few seconds to finish too. So it is possible for you to earn some stars on this platform very quickly, and which will accumulate to money. So you can see the amount of reviews they have on Trustpilot. They have a lot of reviews. You can see they have 651,496 registered users. You can see how much I paid out to use. $427,331 has been paid, and 98 users are currently online as of the time I am making this video. So go and try it out. Drop your comment in the comment section so that I will know how you have gone about in this platform that's known as NWeb. Please don't forget to click on the red subscribe button so that I can continue getting updates anytime I drop videos like this, and also so that it can motivate me to grow. Until I see you in my next video, I really love you. Thank you.